Dear students, next question number 2. In question number 2 on comparing the ratios. Yesterday I taught you a table to compare the ratios. On the basis of that table we will solve this question. Find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of equations intersect at a point. First option is intersect at a point, means unique solution, or parallel or coincident lines. So just while doing this question, keep that table in front of you. So first pair is this. Let us compare the ratios. First pair is this. So let us take the ratios. Coefficient of x 5, 7. So A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. So what is A1? 5, A2 7. 5 by 7, then 4 by 6. B1 by B2 is 4 by 6. Then C1 by C2 is 8 by minus 9. 8 by minus 9. Dear students, remember one thing, be very careful. You have to be careful that if the constant term of one equation is at left hand side of equal to, then other must be at left hand side. If it is at right hand side, then it also must be at right hand side. Okay? So let us see. Now this is already in simplest form. Let us convert this into simplest form. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are. So the ratio becomes 5 by 7, 2 by 3. Means A1 by A2 and B1 by B2. This ratio is not equal. That means which type of graph do you get? You will get intersecting lines. So answer to this part is intersecting lines. They asked you what kind of lines do you get. Similarly, let us do the second part. A1 by A2 is 9 by 18, B1 by B2 3 by 6, and C1 by C2 is 12 by 24. But right now they are not equal, but first we will convert them into simplest form. 9 1s are 9, 2s are 18, so it will become 1 by 2. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, so again it will become 1 by 2. 12 1s are 12, 2s are again it will 1 by 2. So just look at the table and tell me if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. What kind of lines do you get in the graph? You'll get coincident lines. So the answer is coincident lines. Now similarly the third part, A1 by A2 6 by 2, B1 by B2 take the coefficient minus 3. And students, you do the mistake, you will take minus y. No, variable should not be there. Its coefficient is 1. So minus 1 along the sign. Then C1 by C2 is 10 by 9. So let us convert them in simplest form. 2 1s are, 2 3s are. So it will become 3 by 1. Minus minus plus. Again it will become 3 by 1. Then we can't convert them in simplest form. It will remain as it is. So now the first two ratios are equal, but the third is not equal. So that means A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. So this is what case? Which case is this? Just compare the table. Just look into the table. If two ratios are equal and third is not equal, then you will get parallel lines. Then we will get parallel lines. So in this way you can solve the question number 2.